Experiencing inconsistent battery percentages between your AirPods Pro and their charging case? You're not alone. It's a common issue, but easily addressed. Start by understanding the core problem. Your AirPods report battery levels via Bluetooth, and sometimes this connection gets disrupted or the data becomes stale. The quickest fixes involve resetting the connection. First, try placing your AirPods in their case, closing it, waiting 15 seconds, and then reconnecting. If that doesn't work, unpair and repair your AirPods via your device's Bluetooth settings. A simple reset can often clear out corrupted sync data, bringing your battery percentages back in line. Ensure your devices are nearby during this process. If basic fixes didn't work, ensure your AirPods firmware is current. Go to Settings, General About, then select AirPods to check for updates. Outdated firmware often causes sync issues. Recalibrate by placing AirPods in the case and charging fully for at least 30 minutes. This resets the battery sensors and helps sync accurately. Avoid quick charges during recalibration. Prevent interference by reducing other devices on the 2.4 GHz band, such as microwaves or Wi-Fi routers nearby. This can disrupt battery sync signals. Refresh the connection by toggling Bluetooth off and back on, or enable airplane mode for 30 seconds. This clears temporary sync issues. If issues continue, disable optimized battery charging in iOS battery settings. Be aware this may affect long-term battery health. If all else fails, contact Apple support for expert help with persistent battery sync problems.